Why me have to wait till somebody make a chicken already? Eh? I can't go so. I have to go wait till the chicken is ready. Eh? I have to go wait till the chicken is ready, man. You know, anytime I come to Jamaica, you know, I have to make sure I come here. Yes, sir. Eh? Right, yes, sir. Every time I come here, I have to get a jerk chicken. A nice color though. Even though they're not ready yet. Eh? They're not ready yet, but you know. Right to Santa Cruz, sorry, when you come, you know, say you have to get a jerk chicken right across from the old theater. Yeah. Is it? Yeah. Right across from the old theater, yeah. All right. So, what soup is that one is again?
Cow skin mixed with chicken foot.
Cow skin mixed with chicken foot, yeah. Alright. See, nice color in the soup though. Yeah, like you get a really good pumpkin. Ah. I'm waiting on the jerk chicken as well, but it's not ready yet. But you can see the smoke coming out of it. That means it's almost ready. You can see the smoke come out of the pan, so you know that the chicken is soon ready. I know the chef to open up the pan in a bit. See the pan open again, so I'm there wait for my jerk chicken. You know, every time when I come to Jamaica, you know, I have to stop yourself. Santa Cruz, yeah? What's the business name? Oh, what's your business name?
Demos Jerk Center.
Demos Jerk Center. Yes, and at Santa Cruz, right in front of the old theater. And so the theater across where the road is, so it turned into Morrison's now. So from the crossing Morrison's there, Demos the right cross, yes, so you just have to cross the road. Look at the color of the chicken, man. In Demos, chicken color really bright. You don't see it? Will you sell off all of this amount today, or?
Yeah.
Or you sell this amount off today?
Yeah. Sell off, I'll jerk more again.
And have a jerk more again?
Yeah.
The fire too high or what you think? You think the fire too high or? Really, really nice jerk. How much for one of the leg and tie? How much one of the leg and tie? 1,800. Alright, I might go for 1,000. So that would have been 1,000. Let me there. There, go and chill. Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. You don't have to come check out the jerk, man. There, I jerk up the thing them. So in the meantime, you don't know. Yeah? Yo! The chicken them, I wait pan. Every time the pan open, you know, that's for sure now what I go on. See that?
Hello, ready? 1, 2. You ready?
So these are the king prawns, what we call crayfish. In Jamaica, crayfish are king prawns. They've been cooked. You can see the nice color on them. So these are king prawns here. Or shrimp. Jamaica call it shrimp, not king prawn, shrimp. You want to make up the sauce there? Sauce you want to make, yeah? You don't look like him. So yeah. You make up the sauce, yeah?
Yeah.
So the man make up the sauce there and then chicken and jerky sauce and make. So you know it's a business as usual. Business as usual. You know it's our #1 chicken dish here. So anytime you come to Santa Cruz, you can't miss that one here. You can't miss this. Anytime you come to Santa Cruz. Matter of fact, anytime you come to Jamaica, like me. Every time you come to Jamaica, you have to get that one here.
I like your
I'm in a rush, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Which one? That one there? Hold up that one there. Let me see that one there. The other one there. See, nice color for the chicken. So guys, anytime you come to Jamaica and you come St. Elizabeth, Santa Cruz here, you gotta stop at
Santa Plaza, Magatistan.
Santa Plaza, Magatistan, yeah? In front Mothers. So that's Mothers across over there.
Yeah.
And you have the old theater there.
Yeah.
And you can't miss Demos, yeah? Yeah, Demos, yeah? You don't know Demos there, but see, yeah? Anytime you're there in Jamaica, you have to stop at Demos. Well, I have to stop anyway. Demos, this is chicken that sell off in no time. In no time, this is chicken that sell off. Where's your chop up now?
Yeah, in the right time of food, you know. Alright, yeah, yo, he said no problem. He said no problem in our evening food. Yo. The man said try have this something, you know.
So I'm in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth.
No, he wants to make sure that it's good.
I'm having my soup as well. I think the soup is chicken foot and cow skin. I know in England, most of my friends would never drink the soup. But in Jamaica, I have the soup.
Yeah, no good.
All the different drinks. You can get all the different ginger beer, you got Pepsi, ginger beer there too, you got all of that one. All of the soda of them there.
How far are you in there from the kitchen?
Now park down.
The blue is 5. This is Jamaica. You see everything happening in Jamaica.
Oi, man.
Oi!
Todo como. Yo, está todo como, man. Oi, man. Todo como, man. Aye, that's good, that's good.
I like a t-shirt. Hello, I like a t-shirt, yeah. London girl, yeah. Look them man. Look on the leg them man. You see when you hold it up like that you can see all the colour man. Hold up that one the chef, let me see that one there. Look there, look there man. Yo, that's the one I'm waiting on, yeah. I don't know which one I'm waiting on, but they all look good. You don't know which one I wait for. You can see for yourself. I'm doing one thing I know. Let's try beer. I'm not going to the party, yeah. Well guys, I'm in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, and it's holiday tomorrow. I'm not sure what holiday, I don't remember what's the holiday is tomorrow, but I'm sure tomorrow is holiday. They take out the soup again. So also Demos there, so it have a big soup as well. Cow skin and chicken foot soup, yeah? More food. So yeah, cow skin and chicken foot soup. I just had mine. I'm gonna have a next one to take home with me here. But look at the color of the soup. You see that? All I go on a Santa Cruz, yeah? When you come to Santa Cruz, you have to check out the Demos, yeah? That's the Demos are running place. Yo, look on the chicken them, sir. Look the man. Chicken them's beautiful. You know, the last time I come here, as I said, I seen someone in England were here doing a video, and I come and stop here the first time. I couldn't go past. I wasn't hungry, you know, but I just stopped to support the business still. And today again is the same thing. So that is Demos, yeah. When you come to Santa Cruz, yeah, you have to check out Demos. Jerk chicken, nice color, yeah. More fresh stock I got. So what in the bucket already seasoned up, you just take them out and put them on straight from the grill. You don't have to worry about nothing. See there? So we have some ready, some almost ready, and some and some fresh going. Yeah, yeah, you have to rotate it like that.
Yeah, man.
You have to rotate it like that, Demos, yeah. So that is Demos, yeah. A Demos run thing here, so. In a Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. Because tomorrow Independence, so you don't know what a party are going, what the things are going. That's Mother's across over there. Juicy beef patty just at the top up there. I like the umbrella, it's really pretty with the Jamaica flags inside of it. Wow. The umbrella is so pretty. She got the Jamaica flags on it. Thing done, you don't know. You know, let the man get paid time of foreign star.
Stop.
You, but you're the man buying up the blood clot. Stepper? Huh? I started thinking on you.
You're not going away extra. I'll say that up.
You have all kind of drinks in there. You have ginger beer, scenery.
What is it called? What is that? What is it?
Ready yet? So guys, this is the aisle, the hot aisle there for Friday festival, yeah. And the aisle for the festival, yeah. You see that there? That just to test the aisle if the aisle is hot. And once that cook, you know, so yeah, the aisle is ready. So the boss wash him hand there, find him hand wash. You know, say, a dumpling I make again. So the hot aisle ready. You have to test that there. And that test the oil, yeah. So guys, see the festival and make I go straight into the pot, yeah? Flour knead up already and everything. And see it there?
Jamaican pepper shrimp.
See it there? A lady got the pepper shrimp. See the pepper shrimp there? See the pepper shrimp there? But you know what, in Jamaica we call them shrimp, but in like England we call them prawns. Everyone say prawns, but see it there? Pepper shrimp, yeah?
Hello?
In England a king prawn. Nice color on them though. So guys, I said welcome to Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. This is the town I grew up in before I leave to the UK, and now I'm back. I'm just chilling in the town, taking some videos, show you guys what the town like. That's a festival they're cooking, yeah? Festival of cook right there, so see over here. I want a drink. You know what? I'm gonna try a ginger beer. I'm gonna try a ginger beer. The Jamaica ginger beer. Yeah, Jamaica ginger beer. I'm gonna try a ginger beer.
Hello, anything over here Saturday? Yeah, I feel what you say you want food for you to go, okay?
See how blue the sky is? Have a look at the sky, guys. How blue it is. Sky is blue, man. So the chicken around, festival of fried and chicken a jerk. I'm here just waiting to get mine when it's ready. I'm not in a rush to get mine anyway. Some ready and some not ready yet. And that's the festival, yeah? So I'm having a ginger beer, Jamaica ginger beer. You can see.
Hello, anything for the little one? Hello.
Yo!
So the festival them are almost ready. See the colour on the festival them. It won't come up, does it? Yeah, so the festival ready now. Festival ready. We'll try. You got the festival them ready now. See it there? Am I going at the pan? All of them want the fry now. So you can get the festival and jerk chicken. And we got the soup is there as well, the cow skin and chicken foot. More festival, say that. More festival. Sorry.
Oh, para supermarket over here, so. Alright. Mommy, where are you?
Big se no more, see, no train of
They got do the right thing. a cook, yeah? Say that for yourself.
Any shorts, any tights, anything over here.
Yeah.
What's your least judge can I 7 baht? I'm only can't buy it. If you can get like 5 days, huh? 5 days, but I want to.
What you giving me there? 1,000, yeah?
Yes.
Alright. Yeah. Can I try pizza? Let me take a little pizza. Just try. That's hot though anyway. Thanks. Yeah, I'm trying the chicken. Right?